It's Bonnie. Happy Friday. Oh my goodness, you guys. Grab some tea, grab some coffee, grab a cookie. I got so much good stuff for you guys. But first, hit the subscribe button. Oh my gosh. So, where do I start? I am an online AVON rep, so for those of you just joining me, all my information is below, including how to order on my online store and how to become a rep. I'm going to do a couple things in this video. I actually had to break this down. I got 3 20-pound boxes today from AVON, which was beyond exciting. Considering we're in the middle of winter, it just brightened my day. So let me start from the beginning. So this is AVON's 135th year anniversary, and part of their anniversary celebration included a kickoff that I went to as a rep. And as a rep, we were allowed to buy bundles during this kickoff event. So I got a Mother's Day bundle, which is coming, new products. I got a Homestar cleaning bundle, which was absolutely fabulous. And I got a 135th anniversary bundle, which I think this was a $500 value. It looks like it because I got so much stuff in here. So spoiler alert, if you're an AVON rep and you don't want to see what's in this box, I will yell spoiler alert before I actually reveal it, because some of the reps haven't gotten their boxes yet. But if you're interested in seeing this, then stay tuned. But before I get to the box, I'm going to talk about a few other things. So, and I'll go over this in a couple of other videos later. Inside my order, because this was also my Campaign 5 order, couple of cool things going on at AVON. First up, we have the While Supplies Last, buy 5, no, this is so confusing. Get 5 for the price of 2. This is the Hygiene Collection. So if you go to the link below for AVON, they're doing some really good specials on their hand sanitizer, their gloves, all kinds of cool stuff. So you can actually buy these. There's a pack of them. So the AVON Senses Cucumber Antibacterial Hand Gel, set of 5, $35. They are going to be $7.98, which is an amazing deal. So those are the hand sanitizers. For the gloves, you know, the what are these? Are these the nitrile gloves? You get 5 packs of 30 for $17. AVON Defense Hand Cleansing Wipe, 5 packs of 10 for $7. Holy moly. And then the masks are also on sale. You get 5 packs of 7 masks for only $19. So lots of good stuff going on there. This is on the e-store, my e-store below. We've also got buy 5 for the price of 2 on the fabric masks. And then all of the deodorant is buy 1, get 1 free. So I had to point those out first. So that's exciting. Then, oh my goodness, I wanted to give you a sneak peek. Campaign 6, I showed you the cover. I actually have one over here. This is going to be the Belief coming up, that giant birthday cake. Then, oh my gosh, you guys, subscribe, hit the subscribe button because I got so much more coming. Campaign 7 sneak peek. Introducing Farm RX. This is the brand new natural skin cream that I will have a lot more about. I ordered the entire set of the it's called Farm RX. I keep saying Farm X. It's Farm RX. But this is actually coming up. Super exciting collection. Sign up to be a rep today. You're going to get access to all of this stuff now. So as reps, we were able to purchase this entire collection as a bundle early. So before I get into my 135th anniversary special box here, I'm going to tell you, if you sign up to be an AVON rep now, it is free to join. You're going to get I got to back up here. You're going to get a free $52 Physiogel Daily Moisture Therapy with your first AVON Now order of any size. If you do a $60 order in AVON Now, you're going to get the Physio Gel, and check it out, 135 Avon lip balms. I'm not kidding. This is what 135 Avon lip balms look like. It's a lot of lip balms. So you can pass these out with a business card. You can gift them to your friends. You can use them. So this is a really good deal. So like I said, if you sign up for Avon today, it's free to sign up. First order, you're going to get the Physio Gel. If your first order is over $60, you're going to get the Physio Gel, the 135 lip balms, and a $10 credit to use for your second order. But it has to be done on the Avon Now site, not the consumer site. So if you have any questions, post them below. I will put the link below to join. If you leave a comment and say, Bonnie, I want to sign up, what's the link? I'll give you the link too. So it's awesome. Now is the time to join Avon. It's super exciting. We also have a new edit. This is like the kind of luxury book from Avon. Lots of good deals going on in the vitamin C. Super awesome book here. And then we also have, I'm so excited about this, you guys. What's new? This is coming in campaign 8. I got to give you a sneak peek on this. I am so excited. I am a lipstick connoisseur. Check it out, you guys. Look at the new FMG lipsticks that are coming from Avon. They're the Glimmer Satin Formula. And look at all of the shades you're going to get. And these are actually only going to be on sale. They're going to be on sale for $8.49. If you're a rep, you're actually going to get them as a new rep. You're going to get them for $6.37. Another reason to sign up to be a rep. I actually want every shade. I kid you not. So that's a super exciting what's coming. Lots of new jewelry is coming in campaign 8. All kinds of fun stuff. So when you're a rep and you place your first order, you're also going to get the What's New catalog, which is so exciting to look through that thing. So, spoiler alert! I'm yelling spoiler alert right now, by the way. By the way, I got this necklace from Avon. Isn't this pretty? It's like a little blue circular necklace. This is on sale in the Good Buys. Spoiler alert. So, like I said, 135th anniversary bundle. Avon allowed reps to buy this during the Avon kickoff event, which was all virtual. We didn't have to go anywhere. The whole thing was virtual. They gave away a lot of neat prizes. So the first thing I got was the Moisture Miracle Belief set, and I got the eye balm, the moisturizing balm, and the jelly cleanser, which I use all 3 of these. These are awesome. So I did get this bundle. I also got from Belief the Aqua Bomb with hyaluronic acid powder. This is where you mix the hyaluronic acid with the Belief Aqua Bomb cream, and then gives you a little bit more moisture. So I got one of those. I got not one, but 2 perfumes. I got the Leered Bouquet, and I got the Leered Sparkling Neroli. So 2 perfumes in this. I mean, that was worth it for me just with that. That was a really awesome deal for that. I also got, oh my gosh, you guys, I love this stuff. This is the Face Shop. Let me open this up. This is actually the, I don't know how to pronounce this. It's Jeju Aloe 99%. This is actually from the Face Shop. I'll have to say, this stuff is really good if you have a sunburn, or back in the fall, I actually stupidly picked up a pan out of the oven that was hot, and I'll have to say, this was a lifesaver for me. You know how aloe is good on burns. It definitely cooled it down, so I was very glad I had this. I like having one of these on hand all of the time. So I was super excited they gave us one of these. Now, some of these products, like I said, were this was a Christmas product that they threw in there with the Christmas packaging, but I was perfectly fine with that because I'm just going to take it out of the Christmas packaging. We also got one of the, check it out, this is the Cucina Moisturizing Hand Lotion. This is grapefruit and rhubarb. I got one of those in the box. I got the, oh my gosh, you guys, you know how much I love this stuff. I got the Propali Thera, the Elastine check it out. This spray, I love this stuff. The volumizing spray, I was so happy because actually my one that I have is about halfway gone already. So I was super happy to get that. I got 2 Physio Gel products. I got Daily Moisture Therapy Body Lotion and the Daily Moisturizer Therapy. Is this the this is the cleanser. So I got the cleanser and I got the body lotion. So that was exciting. I love the Physio Gel. I also got the collagen booster. This is the serum, the Equinox Anew. I got, there's more. Can you believe this? It's $135 for all this stuff. The hemp seed oil, I got that. And then the Gentology for Men Herb and Aloe Total Moisture Care. I got one of these. I've not tried this yet, so I'm super excited to try that out. And then I got, this is crazy. I got the Equinox Anew Ultimate Rejuvenating Eye Serum, which I use. Usually what I do is I put the eye serum on, the Equinox Anew, and then I use the Belief too. And I'm 51 years old, and I feel like this has really helped my skin a lot. I also got, I'm super excited about this, the Glow Mist Primer. This is the Belief VDL. I was really excited to get one of these because I didn't have one of these. So check that out. I got one of these. So you unfortunately cannot buy this box. The reason I'm showing it to you, however, is because if you're a rep and you're kind of wanting the sneak peek if yours is coming, I wanted to show you what's in here. The second reason I wanted to show it is to show when you're a rep, AVON offers some really neat benefits to their reps. So like I said, if you attended the AVON kickoff, anyone could go. There's a $30 fee to get in, and then you got an $80 product just for going. They had training, they had events, they had games. It was an awesome event. And then, like I said, they offered us these bundles as part of the event, and you could only buy them if you're a rep, and you only had like 3 days to buy them. They had other bundles that sold out like instantly, but I just wanted to like give you a little idea of the cool stuff you can get when you're an AVON rep. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm actually really excited. Like I said, I got so many boxes in the mail today. I got a lot of the new stuff, the Farm RX. I'm going to break this up into a couple more videos though, because there's so much stuff to talk about, but I am so excited, you guys. I cannot wait to show you everything. This is going to be fun. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.